So we're at the Lego house in Billund, which is basically an experience center built by Lego to celebrate what the Lego brand is all about. Diplomatic Rebels are here to host a 2-day deep dive for our Diplomatic Rebels fellows, who are all intrapreneurs from various different bigger corporations around the world, here to learn about how to become a diplomatic rebel, how to be a more impactful entrepreneur in their own organizations.
We are having a mixture of quite a few different components. So it's partly talks by people that have really walked the talk, like Martin Ibrahimshel from Lab 1886, Daimler's Innovation Lab. But it's also, a lot of social events and gatherings where you work on your challenges in different ways than what you normally do. Part of it is with using Lego Serious Play, and part of it is giving some advice, what we call the top 5 advice on entrepreneurship, and make them have reflections 2 and 2 on those different discussion points.
It's been a wonderful experience to be here. I think this is an amazing group of persons, very interested but also open-hearted and ready to be vulnerable, and that helped a lot to create this atmosphere where we could learn and we can analyze deeply where our challenges were and how we could be better in our jobs, into bringing innovation into our companies and being better entrepreneurs.
Most of the people here are not satisfied. They're searching, right? They're what I would call lifelong learners. They're on this journey to keep growing, to keep broadening their tool set. It's because they care.
Mainly it's just meeting great people. You go around in your daily job and I found great colleagues, but really finding that almost kindred spirits, that feel the same as you and want to do the same kind of some projects and rebel a bit against the way of doing things. That's been a complete pleasure.